Introducing the stunning 2020 Land Rover Discovery Sport Arden SE P300EA, a true powerhouse on the road. With a sleek exterior in blue and a powerful 1.5-liter engine, this petrol plug-in hybrid electric vehicle is sure to turn heads. Not only does this vehicle offer unmatched style, but it also boasts an impressive array of comfort and safety features. From air conditioning and satellite navigation to lane departure, warning and collision alert, this SUV has it all. But that's not all. With features like interior load cover, LED lights, and a glass roof, this vehicle truly stands out from the rest. And with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer spec servicing, you can rest assured knowing you're getting a top quality vehicle. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Contact us today at spiritmotorgroup.ie or visit our website for more information on this exceptional Land Rover Discovery Sport. Drive in style and safety with the 2020 Land Rover Discovery Sport Arden SE P300EA. The ultimate SUV experience awaits.